you, God, for giving me one more chance to raise my voice.
Got this Tahoe here. I'm finna paint the rims on it. You got some 26-inch stubs. I'm finna go ahead and take them off and clean them up. They go in the same color as the factory paint. Cleaned them on up. These are some 26-inch dubs attacks. It's the 6 series here. What I'm gonna do on the paint scheme, only thing I'm painting is right here. I'm gonna paint this the color of the truck. Then the cap is gonna be the same color of the truck. And I probably hand brush this dub in black. Our first step is we're gonna go ahead and scuff this up. And what I'm gonna use Scotch-Brite, maroon Scotch-Brite.
My jewelry look like a lake. Today
Finish scuffing up the wheels. Just need to blow them off. I'm doing the center caps now. I done did these 3. I gotta do this one here. The only thing you doing is trying to just scuff it up so the paint has something to stick to. Time for the masking now. What I got some fine line tape. I'm gonna use that for all the little curves here. I'm gonna use that around that area there, also around here. Then I got some regular masking tape. I'm just gonna use that and put a straight areas. And I cut me some little triangles out of some masking paper. I'm just gonna use these pieces here to go up in here like that. Finished up with the masking. I didn't even use no fine line tape. This is regular masking tape here. It worked out just fine. I just had to break it off in a few spots to make them turns. I still got to do the side of the tire, or the top of the tire. I'm just going to use some regular newspaper for that. Just scrape it down. I got 3 more wheels, then I'll be ready to go ahead and move to the next step. All 4 wheels masked up, ready to be painted. Got the center cap taped off right here, so I can get it too. I'm gonna spray some adhesion promoter on it. I'm just gonna use this Tintcoat. No, that ain't adhesion promoter. That's blended clear. This Top Dog adhesion promoter. Let me go on and get that in the gun. I'll cut you back on. Sprayed the Tintcoat Bulldog adhesion promoter. I just put 1 coat on it. Gonna move to the base coat now. This is the base coat. I'm using the factory color. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if it's focusing, but it was mixed by O'Reilly's Auto Parts. Exalted. Base coat is down. You still can see the machine finish in the base coat. Let me see if I can get a look of it. You can see it in the light. See if I can get it. I don't know if it's picking up, but you can see some machine lines. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and spray the clear now. This the critical part here, is removing the masking tape. If you wait till the clear dry, the clear gonna bridge the panel and well, not panel, but rim and the masking tape. Then it's gonna pull the paint up when you remove the masking tape. So you want to try to remove it as soon as you get through spraying, when it get tacky. The thing about it is trying to be careful not getting over into the paint. If you get a little bleed through or something, I guess the masking tape wasn't taped good enough right now, and I got a little color right there, you can just put some reducer on a rag and it'll come right off. I think I got another spot somewhere. Might be on this one. I got a spot right there. Earlier I said I was going to hand paint the dub sign, but I changed my mind. I went on and masked it up, and I also scuffed it up with a little Scotch spray for clear. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray a flat black on this here. Just finished up on spraying the flat black. It looked lost now, but once it dry, it'll be flat.
Stop. Right from the bottom to the top, from the ground up, we never stop. Right from the